is how a shooting goes on dito sa Bulacan. Tara, baka picture tayo. Hello po. Hello po. Sir, pwede one last picture with the kids? Look, come on. Yan o. Picture tayo. Let's go. Akin tayo. Sige lang po, sige lang po. Thank you so much. Ayun.
Hello, si John Lucas ito. Gusto ko lang bumati ng happy birthday kay Ate Donnery. Siyempre, gusto ko lang shoutout sila Luke, Kayla, Oli, and Bella. Love, love, love guys. See you soon.
You know. What keeps you handsome?
Wala, prayers na, tsaka dito.
Yun, thank you, idol.
Handsome talaga.
Grabe. Idol ko yan. Kapamilya, kapuso.
Ayun o, salamat.
Always. Thank you.
Hi, Donnery! Happy birthday! And shout out din kina Luke, Kayla, Oli, and Bella. So much love for you guys. Thank you so much.
What? Idol! Idol! Papag-greet lang saglit.
Hello po, Mike Agassi here. Happy birthday, Ate Donnery. Hello, Luke, Kayla, Oli, and Bella. Love, love. See you guys.
What keeps you handsome? Sorry.
Really hands up. I think just being humble and being kind.
I'm a fan of Carlos Agassi and all the siblings, syempre.
Thank you.
Thank you, bro. God bless you.
God bless.